Alternative dispute resolution is a method of resolving disputes outside the formal court process through mediation, negotiation, plea bargain, and arbitration. ADR offers faster, less formal, and often less costly solution compared to court litigation, as it involves neutral third parties, helping disputing parties reach a mutual agreement in both small claims to complex commercial matters. In Uganda, the mechanism has been increasingly embraced by the judiciary, registering significant milestones in addressing the challenge of case backlog. In the last financial year alone, over 5,000 cases were resolved through ADR processes. Despite its growing adoption, ADR faced challenges with lawyers, arguing that the mechanism reduces their financial earnings.
The leader of legal education at Law Development Center, there will be lawyers who will think ADR is bad for business. We hope eventually they will realize that that is wrong.
It is partly for these reasons that Uganda will host the 4th African Gumzo-La-ADR conference, where stakeholders from across the continent will meet to discuss the future of ADR and strategies for strengthening its use in Africa.
Uganda has become a better investment destination. We have disputes among shareholders. We have lots of disputes in the field of domestic relations, in the family court.
Minister Mao highlighted some of the key issues expected to be discussed during the conference.
We shall have an intense workshop on alternative justice system. Experts will lead a master class on infrastructure contracts.
Being the 4th conference among member countries, Mao says the previous meetings have already recorded benefits, such as increased access to justice, faster dispute resolution, among others.
Our next step is to develop a national action plan for the implementation of the ADR policy. We expect that we will even be able to resolve, for instance, election disputes. The government will eventually enact an omnibus dispute resolution law.
The conference is expected to generate resolutions on how Uganda and other African countries can further integrate ADR mechanism into their justice system, as well as explore the future of ADR.
We have got to establish what we call practice area committees so that there is governance. We are also encouraging the judiciary to establish an ADR center so that we promote ADR in the judiciary.
The 4th African Gumzo-La-ADR conference will take place in Kampala from 9th to 13th March 2026, bringing together judicial officers, chief justices, mediators, arbitrators, lawyers and retired judicial officers from across Africa. Deborah Namamonde, Viola Nansuga, UBC News.